Hi there, it's Roger from Root. In this video, we're going to delve into the concept of alterations, adjustments, amendments, or midterm adjustments on the Root platform. Essentially, how to make changes to a policy once it's been issued. On Root, policy data like start and end dates, premiums, sum assured, and module data are system generated. This means you can't edit these directly. Instead, changes must be made through a hook, and we refer to these as alteration hooks. Alteration hooks apply business rules and validations to a policy, and can be considered as a simplified and shortened version of issuing a policy. They range from changing the cover amount in life insurance to adding or removing a pet in pet insurance. You can create a single comprehensive alteration hook or multiple specific ones for granular control. When configured, alteration hooks appear on the Root dashboard. They're listed in a drop-down menu for easy access on a policy. They can also be triggered over the API for any system-to-system integration that needs to update or amend policies. To set up an alteration hook, you must define it in the rootconfig.json file, where you add the hook with a unique key and a display name. Then, head over to the code folder in your workbench. Here, you'll configure three key functions: validate alteration package request, get alteration, and apply alteration. You will also configure a schema for it. The validation function ensures clean data input. Get alteration gives a preview of the changes, like a quote, without applying them. Once confirmed, apply alteration makes the actual changes to the policy. As you may recall from our other videos, the schema configures the UI input fields. Applying an alteration triggers a series of events. An audit record is created, communications are sent out, and new documents like updated schedules are generated. These can be customized in your communications settings. To sum it up, alterations are a programmatic way to edit your policy on Root. They offer flexibility and control, allowing you to manage policies effectively and efficiently. That's all for this guide on alterations. Stay tuned for more videos in our series to explore other features of the Root platform. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.